Just need another 5%. You guys need to live for 30 more seconds. And they'll under the boss in 3, 2, 1. I'm baiting that frontal. And dodge.
Stampeding roar. Blue bait frontal.
And rain positions. And after rain, we're going to rotate. And rotate. And blue's all the way to the wall. Watch that frontal. And blues stay against the wall. Rain positions. And then this is going to be, after rain, it's going to be blue soak and get it on the other side. Spread for rain. And rotate, and then blues soak and get to the other side. Watch that frontal.
Stampeding roar.
And blue to the other side. Red's coming. And we bait to the left here. Don't be to the right of lock. And spread. And dodge. And control these ads, please. Stunned by gnome. And rotate. And blue's all the way to the wall. And blues stay where you're at. And slide over to markers. Blue to skull, red to green. And spread around your markers. And we're going to go left first. And left first. And stop before the orbs. And soak. And stay spread. We're going to go left, drop, right. Left.
Stampeding roar.
Right. And stop before the orbs. Soak. And we beat. And we rotate over, and blues to skull. And reds, find your buddies. Blues, we're baiting. And to the left. And find your buddies. Everyone out of the center. Find your buddy.
2, 1.
Spy
First
masters.
group goes left, right. Red, left, right.
Second.
Blue, we're going to go through.
Personals.
And out of that blue
1, 2.
circle. Finish soaking, and then it's tie under the boss in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And gnome in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And Azlith in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And Marion in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And go to your baiting spots and pump the boss. And first frontal is going to go to red in 5. And red's going to go left. Next is blue. Let me go left. Boss teleport.
Long red.
And this is blue left,
First.
blue left, blue left, blue left, right, blue left, right, red through.
Stampeding roar.
Watch the blue.
Personals.
Control, grip, stun the ads first. And then it's going to be a lock under the boss. And 3, 2, 1, dispel. And then dog in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And soul in the center in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And Marion in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And then red to blue, blue to red. And pre-spread now so we don't drop on top of each other. That drop happens in 8 seconds. No one's allowed to drop in the center. Dropping in 2. We're gonna go right. Go right. And spread. We drop in 5. Spread out of the center of the room. Don't drop under the boss. We drop in 1.
Stampeding
Oh, you're right.
roar.
And blues, chill out. Dodge and freeze. And blues, come over here. Look at the ping,
1.
blues. Get out of the way. Red, bait off to the side. And blues to red. And blues, pre-spread, and find your buddy if you can. Red will be going behind the boss. And red after the frontal spread. Spread. And first, and red keeps here.
First.
There's gonna be blue first. Blue left, right. And break and dodge first. And red keeps. And blue finisher soaks. Blue, stay where we're at, blue. Red, go to diamond. Red, go to diamond. Blue, come in. Blue around the pings, pre-spread. First group goes left, right. We're fine. First group left, right. Second group through. And watch that circle. Watch your stacks. Get ready to do the dispels. Watch your health. Don't grief. And the first one will go under the boss. And it's going to be tie in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And weapon in the center of the room in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And Mirian in 3, 2, 1, dispel. And Gnome in 3, 2, 1, dispel. May dispel, may dispel, may dispel, may dispel. Good job. And once pump to Kaj, and once she teleports, we just go right against the wall. Blue, freeze. Chill out. Red, chill out. I need to see where this boss teleports. Teleport. All right, red, go. Red, you're off to the side. Frontal and 2. Blue's come in. Red, get exactly behind the boss against that wall. Blue, pre-spread. Red keeps. Blue, don't die to the circle.
All right.
We just go through. Out of the blue circle. You can soak later. Battle Red's the tank. Thol. Gnome, under the boss. Break. Gnome, under the boss. Gnome in 3, 2, 1. Dispel Gnome. Chill out. Blues, stay the fuck where you're at. Reds, Mirian under the boss in 3, 2, 1. Dispel. Gonvoke, 3, 2, 1. Dispel. Champ, 3, 2, 1. Dispel. Pump the boss. Blue, stay where you're at. Pump the fucking boss. Do not move. Just pump the boss. Let's fucking go. No fucking way. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go!